Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are with Lando, and we're going to replace the starter today. We're not at our traditional location. We're not in the shop. We're actually on the side of the freaking road. The side of the road where we live. So, good thing this vehicle didn't leave us stranded. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do the starter. Where is it? Well, first I got to take that heat shield off and expose the starter. It's under there. It's under the passenger side manifold right there. Not for nothing, I'm gonna get dirty today. This is gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be an experience. I'll tell you that much. At least, not for nothing, the starter's not under the intake because there's no freaking room under the intake because it's a pushrod V8 and the camshaft is in the center. So, with that being said, you guys know what comes next. We're not going to take it up top, but let's get into this. Let's get in there. Let's get a better look at the location. So, our starter's right there. It's going to be very interesting on once I get it disconnected or dismounted off the block. It doesn't look like I'm going to go out from down below. It looks like I'm going to come out from right here. My light just died. Wonderful. Oh, good thing I brought my other lights and good thing it's daylight too, and I'm not doing this at night. Although at night I think it would have been less noise and the crickets and the peep toads would have been kind of soothing. But yeah, so first things first, since we're doing a starter and we have to disconnect the main lead off the starter, first step is disconnect the negative lead off the battery. Alright guys, well, here we are under the vehicle. And I'm in a most definite compromised position. So, it does look like we can remove the starter this way. So we got to do a number of things first. We have to disconnect the power lead, we have to disconnect the signal wire. We get those guys out of the way. And then we got a bolt that goes over here and a bolt that goes on top, and it looks like they're most definite Allen keys. We do have our Allen keys with us, so that is very good. And yeah, this is gonna suck. So let's just get into it. Alright, let's see if I grab the right tools first try. It's been years since I freaking did a starter on one of these, let alone to my vehicle. Oh, this is gonna be a freaking struggle. Alright, let's try it again. Wow! Holy shit, that's in there. I need you to break free, dude. I really need you to break free. Ah! Oh God, it broke free. Good. We still got another bolt to go, and I can't even freaking see it. Alright guys, we're up top now, and for the top starter bolt, we had to go through here. I had to massage that heat shield a little bit, but we broke the bolt free. Very good. And I gotta say this, guys, as I'm on the ground doing the starter here, this is the first time this has happened to me since I started the channel. What happened? Well, I'm working on the car and I actually had a fan stop by and recognize the car. He's like, are you CSW? And I just give him a smirk and I'm like, I might be. So, for the guy who came by, Drew, thank you very much. Now let's get back into it. We got the top one out. I was able to break it free, back it out about halfway with the ratchet, and then finger it on out. Very good. Now we're gonna take it back down below. We're gonna take the power cable off, we're gonna take the signal wire off, and we're gonna remove the final bolt to the starter, and hopefully she should come out. Very good. Alright, we got our signal wire off. We cracked this free, so I should be able to get this off. And guys, I do have my safety goggles on. I am working underneath the vehicle clearly, and as you can see, there's a lot of schmeg everywhere. It could fall into my eyes. I better close my mouth too, because it could fall into my mouth at any moment too, Gady. Alright, we got that off. So now we just got to get this guy off right here, and we should be able to remove the starter. Very good. Come on, we're almost there. Come on. Oh God. Oh, I could only hold my head up and my arms up for so long, guys. There's our bolt. Full of freaking oil because the oil pan's leaking. But that's okay. Self-lubricating chassis system's keeping the front end good. So now this should... Alright. Oh yeah, that wasn't that bad, but it sure did suck. Alright guys, very good. We got the old one out, we got the new one right here, and all we're really doing is just comparing the two, making sure everything is good. It spins, but it wasn't something here went wrong, either the stator or the motor. But it would just click and wouldn't engage. So I do see a little bit of corrosion on this wire, and that might be the issue right here, from here to here. What I could have done, I could have jumped that, but as you saw, there's not a lot of room in there whatsoever. No room at all. So starter's in like that. Our signal cable is going to be on one of these guys here. Very good, it's going well. I think I'm gonna get something to drink before I put this one in though. Well, in the middle of the work on the Land Rover, they decided to have the 9/11 memorial drive going. Hell yeah. All right, as somebody who lived in New York during the 9/11 time, we do appreciate it, man. Never forget, never forget. Gotta be over 1,000 bikes. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, now that the motorcycles have gone by, let's fish this starter in. Come on. Come on. Alright. What the hell? Come on. Alright. Get in your home. Get in your... Alright, that's about the area. You know what would freaking help while you're working on the ground and after you put the freaking starter in, or at least in the area it's supposed to be? It would have been great if I brought the freaking hardware down with me. Alright. I think that's your home. Let's see. I hate working on the ground, guys. I really do. I just like it very much so. They don't make it easy. But, you know what? For nothing, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. And you know what? I wouldn't have to. Alright guys, I'm going to see if I can get this shot. I don't know how the angle is because we're deep in the belly of the beast. So, gotta find the hole, do a little bit of hair around it, start fingering it in, and it started. Very good. Very good. Let's keep it going. Keep it. Oh, that's all I could go. Oh, no, maybe a little more. No, that's it. Now I got to get the ratchet and socket on it. All right, well, at least it's in the proper mounted position. We just got to tighten all the mounting bolts, connect the positive wire, connect the source wire, or signal wire, I should say, excuse me, connect the battery, and let's just hope it starts. Oh guys, I don't know if you'd noticed, but I don't have an hood insulator, and there was a reason for that. We had some minor FIFO activity in this general area, and I saw it was hanging down, and when I touched it, some stuff fell out. Well, I got rid of it. I ain't giving you a spot. So we're involved here tightening that top bolt, and we already did. And I noticed something. Nobody is safe from FIFO or 2-holes. Not even CSW. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. The starter is now fully mounted up. We're gonna get this guy. Oh wait, you know what I should have done? I should clean this up a little bit. Get good bare metal on there before I connect it to the brand new starter. Let's clean that connection first, and that goes for this guy right here too. You want to have good connections to the starter, or you might just very well end up in the same predicament, because corrosion equals resistance, and if you're not getting the proper amperage to the starter, it's not going to turn. But what I did before all of this, I did crack the original nut free, kind of moved it around, tightened it back up. Same with the plug here. Sometimes if there's a little bit of corrosion in there, you could just kind of work the connector, get a better connection. Same with here, but I was still getting the same Gugat's click. So we're going to clean those up, attach them, and continue. Very good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, everything is in. We got our sense wire on. We have our power wire on. All of the mounting bolts, all of 2, have been mounted and tightened. Our heat shield is back over. So now, all we gotta do is just reconnect the battery, start the car, and go freaking wash up. All right, starter is in. Battery, right there, has been connected. Tools have been removed from this general area. We don't want anything falling in. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Did I hook it up correctly? Oh yeah. Alright guys, I'm either the bug or the windshield. Contact. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.